So this is 12 1/4. Cut it across, and this will fit nicely for mitered corners on a 12-inch block. You want to make sure that you have plenty of room to make that miter. My piece, and I know right where the middle is, and I can lay it right down onto my quilt block, start sewing, and I give myself about an inch. So how I do that is I just hold the ends so that I know when I come upon it, my fingers, I'm about an inch away. And that's all I'm going to do at this point. Release it from my foot, and I'm going to put the other side on. So the first thing that I'm going to do in preparation for the miter is my piece on the left, I'm going to sew completely off of my block. So I'm going to continue the seam right to exactly where that seam is going to intersect. Now I'm going to pull this seam back so it's out of the way. When I put this piece on top of it, now I can feel where the edge is, where the seam is. That's where I want to put my pin. Now if I keep this out of the way, I won't have problems later on. So now I'm going to drop my needle. Now you can see that it's rotated the fabric up a little bit because of my foot. So I actually have to back it out a bit, lift it up, and have the needle go right down, right on top of my pin as I pull it. Then I can go ahead and drop my needle, continue on for that inch or so. Go ahead and sew off. Now that's going to be right where it needs to be. Now go ahead and open your fabric. These two pieces. Flip this one back over itself, lined up on these edges, that I can just rub and roll and fabric flatten. I just want a crease line right there. Then I can open it up. From here, I take my seams on both sides, put it back under my needle. You're going to put your needle right here, and you're going to sew on this crease line. And I can follow this crease line right here. And there is your mitered edge. Pretty simple. And to finish up, I like just to take my iron and just gently press on top the way the fabric wants to fall. Then I'll go ahead. Cut my extra fabric off. I've been making things since I was 3. Creating is my happy place and my passion. My hope is that you feel inspired as a result of watching my videos and create something incredible. I would love to hear about it by leaving me a comment below and give the thumbs up for other interested viewers. If this is your first time here, I would love for you to subscribe because this channel is all about creativity and inspiration. I hope you feel inspired to create something amazing. Feel free to share the inspiration because life is a journey we make together.